everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm decorating my spread for the week. This is the last week of February and it's my mom's birthday this week. So I'm gonna do a spread that kind of reminds me of my mom. So I picked this Moody Blooms sticker book from Love Posh and I'm gonna use this one because I don't know, it just reminds me of my mom, like this color palette. So I really like these right here. These are really pretty. My mom's a big like flower plant person. She's got tons of plants and flowers that she takes very good care of, and yeah, she's really good at that stuff. So this is why it reminds me of her. Also, the color scheme reminds me of her too. Okay, so yeah, my mom's birthday is on Monday, so I will put a box there to celebrate her day. I'm trying to think of anything else that's happening this week. Oh, a friend's birthday party. I'm going to that on Friday. Actually, her birthday's on Friday, so I'll be going to that on Friday. And then Saturday, I think I have plans on Saturday to do something with my family. So yeah, I'll put that there too. Ooh, I have these cute circles. I could probably use those. All right, so this book is great because it has honestly everything I need for a spread. It even has some washi in here, which I think I'll put down first. This stripey washi, I love this washi. Okay, wait, I won't have enough to put it. Okay, I have to pick top and bottom. I guess I could do this side. This will fit here, but I don't know if I'll have enough for the other side. Let's see. Oh no, I won't have enough for the other side. So I'll just do the top on this one. Maybe I'll just do this on the top and a different one in the middle, maybe. I could do this striped one, but I kind of want something different. Maybe this one. Actually, I'll put it on the bottom. No. I kind of want it here, just to do something a little different. So yeah, we're celebrating my mom's birthday during the week. I actually already did that. We went to the LA area and went to a seafood sushi place and had some good food, and then we went to a little market that was in the shopping area, got some snacks, and then we went to Erewhon. Went to Erewhon for the first time, which was out in Pasadena. So that was fun because I've been wanting to go there. We tried the smoothie that they have there, which is really good. And yeah, bought my mom some like fancy peanut butter and hummus and coconut water. I don't know, she likes that kind of stuff. And got some smoothies and just hung out with my family, so it was really nice. Very nice day. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. And then I'll probably just go to my mom's on her birthday because I live out here in San Diego and she lives out here in San Diego too. So I can go, and I think we're gonna do cake for her birthday, on her actual birthday, so that'll be good. And yeah, good. I'll put this here on the side. I'm gonna put boxes down. Okay, I definitely want this double box. Okay, maybe we could do this here. And I'll could layer one of these. Maybe this one. Kind of cool. That'll be interesting to write in. We'll see how that works when I write in it. But it's cool. It's different. Okay, I'm gonna put this one over here. Let's get a circle for my mom's birthday. One of these. I could write her birthday in here. And I could do another circle. Just so I can have another circle over here on this side. I'll just cluster that together. I feel like the spread's gonna come together pretty quickly because, you know, I have everything here that I need, so that's good. We'll put a box, do one here. And then maybe this, like, this one right here. I think I want some of these beige ones. One here. Okay, I put some florals down. I kind of want them on the edges, maybe. Oops. Okay, more flowers. We'll do one over here. I also want some quotes. That's the only thing that is not in this book are quotes. So I'm gonna have to go to another book to get that. But I think I should be able to find the style of quotes that I want for this spread pretty easily. I just want some like black ones. Oops. Okay, maybe I could put, we should do a corner one here. Okay, I have this corner one. Time is just flying, right? It's like so fast. Things are just going so fast. Oh, I didn't put that the best, but that's okay. Okay, I want to put some, yeah, let me find some quotes. I do want to put more of these little boxes. Maybe I'll just do these little ones. Do one over here. Do this one over here. Okay. It's really pretty though. Yeah, it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some quotes. I'm trying to see if I have anything near me. No. Okay, let me go find some quotes. So I got these books that have more like simple designs, but I know they have quotes. I could make those work. Kind of like these. I'm not really a huge fan of foil, but I think those would work. Ooh, that's cute. I don't think I could fit it anywhere though. Ah, no, it's too big. I really like this though. I think this would be cool. Maybe I could stick it here. Okay, I kind of like that. But then I need like something like big and bold over here. And these are way too big. Those won't fit. Oh, look, I have a little birthday. I'm gonna put a birthday. Will it fit? I'll just put it here. Birthday. Oh, and then I could put celebrate over here for my friend's birthday. could. Okay, that works. And then I'll just put like a today somewhere else. I like it slanted like that, like on the vertical. That's cool. Okay, yeah. So I need something like bold, like that one that I just put down. There's these. Okay, let me go back over here. Okay, so I have these. Let's see if I have anything in here. I have this. I do have this. Kind of like this. It's okay to make mistakes. Little quote. We have today's plans. I feel like that's a decent amount of black on that side to kind of ground that one a little bit. And then I do have this Make Today Count sticker. I'll just stick that here. Okay, I'm happy with that. All right, I think that helped to add some boldness onto the spread, which I like. Okay, I'm going to get some bullet points. I think I want to do like this reddish color, like burgundy color. I'm just gonna add some dots in a couple of places. And then this spread should be pretty much done. So that's exciting. Like I said, it came together pretty quickly, which is nice. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 here, and then I can do 1 here. All right. Looks pretty good. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is maybe just add one more little, I should bring in these butterflies. These are cute. Oh, I wish I would have seen these earlier. Okay, I'm bringing in butterflies. So, I like these. Even though they're not from the same theme, I think these will go nicely in this spread. It's really pretty. Put one here. I know we're not in spring yet, but it's still butterflies. Always a good thing. And honestly, I live in California, in Southern California, and it is basically like springish right now already. Almost summery. It's gonna get up to 80, 86 on Friday, which is kind of, that's wild. Because it has been really nice, at least for here, like in the 60s. So not looking forward to high 80s, but it looks like it's only like a day. Look how cute that is. I love that. Okay, should I just add 3? They're super cute. I feel like adding 2 more. I could do 1 here, and then I could do another one like here. Yeah, I like that. And there's some like tiny ones that I can do. So I think I'm gonna do that. These little ones, like a little baby one there. That's like the perfect final touch. I used to be really into making floral spreads all the time. And now I'm at the point where I like floral spreads, but I feel like they need another element with them. They never feel complete until I have something else with the florals. And these butterflies are making it feel more complete for me for this spread. So happy that I was flipping through the book and found them, because it's really cute now. Ah, perfect. All right, I think that's it, because I was about to add washi. That's what I was gonna do. I was about to come in and just, well, actually, I think I could get away with adding this little bit of washi, since now I don't have as big of a space to cover Like I can do this area here. Okay, that works. And then I have this piece, which I think I can get to fit here. Oh yeah, that works out nicely, actually. It's meant to be. Okay, it's not perfect, but let me just raise it up a little bit more. Okay, that'll do. All right, that's gonna be my mom's birthday spread. It turned out really pretty, actually a lot better than I thought it was going to turn out. Absolutely love how this spread turned out. All right, so this book, Moody Blooms, let me check. Oh, my computer's off. I want to check to see if this is available still. It's not available anymore right now, but I definitely would check out some of the other sticker books from Love Posh. There's it's a box set though. It's got blooms like flowers. Also, I will be flipping through the new sticker books that are releasing soon from Love Posh, so stay tuned for that, because I love Jessica's stickers. They're amazing. I love her books and all her products. But yeah, I just wanted to check to see if this book was still available, but it's not, unfortunately. But yeah, that's gonna be my spread for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.